UCC 1 Debt Elimination. Understanding the process of discharging debt through commercial remedy. Historical foundation. On May 23, 1933, Congressman Louis T. McFadden, R.O., chairman of the House Banking and Finance Committee, brought formal charges against the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve Bank System, the Comptroller of the Currency, the Secretary of the U.S. Treasury. The charges included serious criminal offenses, conspiracy, fraud, unlawful conversion, and treason. To protect themselves, both the House and Senate passed House Joint Resolution 192, HJR 192, on June 5, 1933. This resolution offered legal remedy by acknowledging that the American people, who had surrendered their gold under President Roosevelt's illegal proclamation, could no longer lawfully pay debts, providing that debts could be discharged without payment in gold or lawful money, since their substance had been taken. Origin of the UCC 1 Debt Elimination Remedy. The foundation for UCC 1 debt elimination arises from HJR 192. In 1933, Congress removed the public's lawful means of payment, gold and silver, replaced it with Federal Reserve notes, debt-based instruments with no intrinsic value. This shift created an exemption, a commercial remedy for the people, since they could no longer lawfully pay debts in lawful money. The trust account and strawman concept. When you are born, the Department of Treasury creates a constructive trust account based on your birth certificate. The corporate U.S. government becomes the trustee, using your identity as a fictitious legal entity, the strawman, to borrow against and pay off the national debt. This fictional corporate entity interacts with other fictitious legal entities, states, banks, courts, etc., not with the living man or woman. You, the living person, have unknowingly acted as the accommodation party for this fictional entity. Filing a UCC 1 to reclaim creditor status. To reverse this, you file a UCC 1 financial statement, security agreement, negotiable bill of exchange, and related documents. You establish yourself as the first secured party creditor of your straw man. This separates you from the fictitious entity, grants you priority to utilize the collateral in your trust account, enables you to assign credit to discharge public debts without using your personal checking account. This is a non-cash transaction executed in the realm of public commercial fiction under the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC. Application: Mortgage debt elimination. 1. Commercial bill of exchange. You use your trust account, strawman credit, to issue a commercial bill of exchange. This credit discharges the mortgage note with the lending bank. 2. Reconveyance of deed. If the bank accepts the legal tender, you demand reconveyance of the deed. If they refuse, they are in dishonor. 3. Revoking the agreement. As grantor, you may revoke the agreement within 33 days. You may initiate foreclosure against the bank for failure to honor its end of the contract. 4. Judicial review. File for a judicial review of your administrative process. If the judge refuses to sign the order, the matter defaults in your favor after 6 months. 5. Transfer of title. To secure clear title, small black square, sell the property to buyer A for $10 in consideration. Small black square, after 10 days, to buyer B for $10. Small black square, then to buyer C after 10 more days. Small black square, finally, back to you for $10, held for 91 days. 6. Asset protection. Place the property into an asset protection trust, with you as the beneficiary. This shields your property from legal predators now that it is debt-free. Conclusion: Discharge of debt through the UCC. The UCC 1 process, when used properly, allows you to operate as a creditor, not a debtor. Uses your exemption and trust account to discharge debt in the commercial realm. Upholds your position using the remedy provided by HJR 192. Almost any debt can be discharged with lawful and strategic use of the UCC, when performed with proper understanding, correct paperwork, and procedural integrity.